What's up, y'all? I got the fastest Civic on Tesla stocks and Lowering Springs in Lafayette. That's my title. Hey, when you talk about Tesla wheel stock Civic, Lowering Springs, that's
Let's
me.
do a review.
That's
Come on.
All right, cool. Don't look at the hood or the bumper or the fenders or the doors or the rear quarter on the driver's side or the trunk or the roof.
Exhaust, bro.
130 decibel
Just
exhaust.
don't look at any of the car because it looks like shit. Don't look at the wheels either. They're all curved. It does start and run. That's pretty cool. It's got a K-tuner in here. Not that it makes any fucking power.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Holy
Give you some
shit!
revs so you can hear all this VTEC.
Yeah, man. Wow. Impressive.
Yeah, so if
Extremely
you're single,
impressive.
hit me up. Drive the Civic on Tesla stocks. You already see them. You know they're real. Tesla
Oh
stocks.
shit! You just ripped the fucking wheel off.
Yeah, bro. That's it. Someone
That's
please
it?
buy this off of me. Please, dear God, someone buy this.
What is the world record?
Shit. Here we go again.
World's fastest JB4 stock turbo Mark V Supra. Ran a 794 6130 on E30 blend by Jesse DeBraers. It's the fastest one in the world. What can I
Oh
say?
my
It's
god.
oddly specific.
Hell no, man.
Actually, not really. Just JB4 only.
Okay, you could have said that.
It's on a list. It's on a list.
Oh, hell no. I'm gonna shoot one of these kids.
What he said?
I'm talking to Alex. They called him offensive, a bitch told him how to drive. You know, kids. Hey, what's up, baby girl?
What's up, dude?
What's going on?
Dude, world's fastest STI.
Fuck no.
What did they say? What did they say to him?
Bro, they called him a fat son of a bitch. Look, there's the culprits right there.
No, it's not.
Oh, never mind.
It's a random
That's an old
pedestrian.
woman, bro. That's an old woman, bro.
It's like, okay, so I was coming down right there at the roundabout and I was hauling fucking ass and they just blew through the roundabout even though I was already in it. And I guess I got mad or some shit.
Look, that's them right there. Look, that's them. Look, that's them.
Yeah,
Look,
I told you, those are the
Joseph.
culprits.
That's them. Look, that's them.
Look, catch them on camera. Oh no, they running. They running. Fuck out of here.
No, about to launch this shit. Oh fuck, get out the way! Woo! Oh my god!
That was nice, man.
It had some pops. It had some
That
crackles.
was like a 1/660 foot. Maybe if this YouTube video blows up, you can.
Dude, yeah.
Yeah, if we
Hey.
can get 4 likes, I'll donate all of my money to an S58 BMW.
Hey, the new M2 is coming to the channel soon, I promise.
I want to believe him so bad.
Hey, look, Holden Brooks slash.
Holden
Slash him
Brooks.
out. Slash him
Holden
out.
Brooks would be dead, bro.
Dude,
Down by
that car weighs 20. Nah, I wouldn't say it. 32.
No.
Wait, you talking about the
The
new
new
M2s?
Yeah, how,
Like, no, like
3800, bro.
are you serious?
3,800 pounds.
Well, I don't want to be that light with that amount of power. In my opinion, that's scary.
What are you talking about? 9-second stock turbo car.
Civic weighed 3.
Look, there you go, Alex.
You've been around, bitch! They call you a pussy ass and they keep going.
They drive around this parking lot all night.
Bro, all their guys that drive
you know
squatted
if we
shit
call the
boxes
cops,
at
they're gonna
Sonic,
pull
bro.
the plate and call someone's parent on accident.
Why are you driving like an asshole all over Phil Street parking lot?
I think my son's in my car.
500.
All right, what you got?
I got the IS 350 F Sport,
What year?
2021.
2021.
I know what you mean, though. That looks good.
It looks good at least.
Because I was looking at it at one point.
It needs that RR Racing supercharger.
It needs like.
Is your car two-wheel drive or? Is it 2 or 4?
It's 2. Well, rear wheel drive.
Actually, yeah.
Did it come with the curved wheels or you did it yourself?
Yeah, it came with the curve.
First mod. Curve my wheels in McDonald's drive-thru.
It'd be Mexico out here, bro.
No hate.
Oh yeah, active as fuck outside.
Active as fuck.
I love saying that.
Very back.
Active, we outside.
I'm out here curving my wheels left and right.
I have the best all-wheel drive system of any car. You know why?
These things all-wheel drive?
Yeah, you know why?
It's not all-wheel drive. Oh!
It is.
It's not all-wheel drive.
Just like Audi, you
You
can
want me to look it up? I just saw it.
It's not all-wheel drive.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
I will prove it to you right now.
Dude, it's not.
Why it's
Is it all-wheel drive?
It's the Lexus all-wheel.
Yeah.
It's most definitely
Just didn't
front-wheel
turn it on.
drive.
All-wheel drive badges.
Whoa.
The F Sport right there, technically.
No. I was a
that
Lexus
word?
connoisseur.
You got finesse, bro. What does F Sport mean?
Fuck shit sport.
Flagship model. That's
Fuck
what it means.
sport.
What?
Oh, okay, bet. Yeah.
That's
Fuck
what,
no.
that's what the F
Yeah.
Sport badge means.
It means
Like, on the
fastest.
car.
Well, I thought it meant all-wheel
Get
drive.
your shit
Wait,
rocked
it
by this
also
thing.
indicates that it's all-wheel drive.
No, it's no.
All-wheel drive. I just saw all-wheel
I was a Lexus guy.
The
No.
way the all-wheel drive system of this car works is it's like it goes from a 50-50,
Do the F Sports
and then it
have
goes
zero-
to a
do the F
30,
Sports
and then
come
it goes to.
Is that your Instagram?
Yeah, that's mine.
I don't see the all-wheel drive badges, man. I don't believe it.
What you need a rear wheel drive?
I don't believe it. It's clean, but I don't think it's all-wheel drive.
I'm gonna shit my pants.
Zach,
I'm coming.
read this. This is why my car is all.
I ain't reading all that. Oh my god.
Literally, it's 2 sentences.
That's way too many.
Look, it says the Lexus all-wheel drive system automatically sends power to 2 or 4 wheels as needed to improve traction, ranging from a 50-50 distribution.
But how do you know it's all-wheel drive? You could read all you want.
Because it is the all-wheel drive.
What's your Insta?
My Insta is Cam MK5.
Okay. All right, I'll tag that down below. Dude, you're gonna be famous, bro. I promise. Dude, hit a sick cloud, bro. Come on.
Hold up, I'm gonna pass.
This is like 2014 right here, bro.
This is literally a acid trip of a video. We did that.
If this video gets one view, I'll kill my.
God damn it.
Well, I'm gonna go click on that.
I'm demonetized already. I'm not even monetized
That
yet.
video so fast.
What?
My God.
Is it? What they making fun of your shit? They making fun of your shit.
So whenever I was in my garage, I was moving all of my 4 or 5 Lamborghinis I had, and I accidentally hit my $4 million Aventador SVT Roadster GT Premium into my 2014 Honda Civic. And
No
shit
video,
the
no
hood a little
proof.
bit. Sorry, my shit.
Yeah.
We got the cowboy.
What's your Instagram?
Jack Griffin _2J.
_2J. All right.
_2J.
All right. Hey, Instagram plug. Come on.
Bro, it's right there, bro. Right there.
I gotta go fucking read now. Oh, Supra.
Roxy.Mark5.
Roxy.Mark5.
Yeah.
Wait.
I got full built Pure
that
9000.
Stinger right there runs 7s, bro.
V12
in the
swaps.
quarter mile. Bro.
I'm glad someone finally recognized it. I'm glad.
I really like the 2 different wheels on
Y'all
it.
seen the drag pack on the Stinger?
Yeah, bro. That shit go crazy.
20s.
Got the 20s on. Dude, there's more sidewall than my
You
fucking
must be wrinkling
dick.
that right here.
Bro, you literally are beefing with sidewall. Like, you literally beef with sidewall.
Bro, it's not.
Bing Tiling, watch out, Xiao Bao.
Spot the difference, bro.
I just got Shay to agree with me.
Watch out, Xiao Bao.
Halloween for him.
They want you to rev the Supra.
Rev the Supra.
That's not loud. No, it is.
Come on, yeah, it's loud. Hey, bully him into fucking doing it. Ah! The fuck? What's up, dude? What's up, dude? Hey, what's your Instagram? No, what's your Instagram?
Hey, y'all follow me on the gram. Hey, Cecily Mikey with 3 Y's, man.
I understand none of that, but let's go. Let's do it, dude.
Yeah, run over that curb. Go over the curb.
Run over the curb.
Get in off-road. Off-road this thing right here.
Hey, we gotta hear the Super first.
I gotta hear the Supra.
They gotta hear the Supra first.
What?
They said they had to hear the Supra first.
Y'all wanna hear it?
Yeah.
Everyone gets out of line.
It was worth it.
She sound like my mom.
Hey, they jumping the curb for us. Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
We need to vlog more often.
What was up with the mask? The mask.
I don't know, dude
was
did not
creeping me
take it
out.
off at all. And he was
Like
gone.
Michael Myers just sitting there.
I think they had fentanyl in their hands when they dapped us up. I probably fucking
They dapped every single one of us up.
Max out.
Oh my god, I'm going to that right now.
Yeah.
That was some clammy hands.
Alright, yeah, we getting that good stuff.
Oh yeah.
We getting that good stuff. Oh.
Do a kickflip on it.
What's that? Sorry.
That's a truck. Oh, it's
Oh shit. Whoa, didn't even stop at the stop sign. Woohoo! So claim is he's tune headers in the 85. Tune headers the 85.
You can't even tune it yet.
Yeah, you can.
Bone stock when you 85.
Is that a 3.5?
Bro, that's no headers on that bitch.
Bro, there's headers right there.
It's like the truck manual.
I'm on 80. I'm on 87 right now.
87.
You can still throw 85.
What do you mean you can't?
Yeah, it's a flex fuel.
They don't do shit. Yeah, they don't do shit. You cannot do new ones.
It's a locked ECU.
Lock ECU.
It's like the Supra.
Lock schmocked, bro. That thing's tuned.
No, our ECUs are locked.
How do y'all do it with a Whipple?
Because Whipple has
their own tune.
Whipple's got a contract.
And it's pretty much just like when you get the Whipple, it's just pretty much a base tune.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Here we go, here we go.
Oh,
Same
shit.
as Roush. Like you can get a Roush or Whipple on here and it'll have a tune. They do
See the turbo down there?
Wait.
New, it's to 2020.
Your best bet is
Hey, point to the turbo.
Hey, bro, those are nitrous lines.
The only way you can tune
Where?
Bro, that is oil. That's oil.
That's the Holden Brook special.
Turbo.
That's the
I do
Holden
see
Brook
that.
See
special.
all the boost lines coming off of it right here?
Oh, this is wrong. Oh, so close.
It runs a 14.0 and a quarter.
Hey, that's Civic
Really?
time. Let's go.
You should. Junkie J, what's up? What's up? Plug the Instagram.
Junkie J. Junkie.J.
Junkie.J, alright. He thinks his car's all-wheel drive, dude.
this out.
Hey, launch this thing, bro.
Launch it. I bet you won't. That had to have been a 2.160 foot, bro. 2.1.
Look, he's backing up. He's doing it. He's coming back, bro.
Oh, redemption.
Hey, put the handbrake on.
Hey, y'all playing, but this bitch good as fuck on gas.
Hey, get in Justin's truck.
We're going race.
What's going on?
We're going race. Oh shit, this bitch dirty. He loves the Tesla wheels. What a fucking Honda.
I love it. Like, that's so ghetto.
What's the aftermath?
Hello.
Alright, Jack. How you feel about that one?
I got this silly at that, dude. I did not think I was gonna get him from the 35, but because I just spin. Y'all heard me spinning the whole time?
No, we didn't hear the tire screeching.
Really? You can hear it
Yeah.
in Jay's video.
So what's done to it? Spill the beans.
Big turbo, 3071R. Might be. 3071R, second gen, full bolt-on suspension, Fortunato 500 series.
Just drug.
Yeah.
Don't.
Yeah.
Nah, it wasn't that bad. For F-150, it's quick. I'll be honest.
It's a quick truck.
It is a quick truck. Alright, what's done to it? Instagram, all that.
Hey, got less swap, 392 Hemi,
Alright.
Cobra intake, weight Hellcat fuel pump, and GTR injectors. tuned on 9087.
9087. All right.
Yep.
Hellcat fuel pump.
Hellcat fuel pump. I get
Okay.
like
What wheels are
90
these? What wheels are these?
That's Lexus wheels.
Fire.
That's Lexus wheels. Good look. Get the. That's Lexus.
Yep. It's backwards L.
All right. That's the RC stocks from the V12.
Sick.
No, that's these.
I got the fastest Civic on Tesla stocks,